I'm Corey, and welcome to DeBerg Family Farms. Our great-grandfather started farming in the 1920s with a couple hundred acres, some milk cows, and feeder pigs. While our operation has grown and evolved since those early days, some things have remained the same. Our work ethic, our commitment to our landlords, and our dedication and passion for agriculture.
I've been working with the DeBerg Farms for 35 plus years, and we got to know Mike and Steve and talked to him about doing some planting and combining for us, and he started doing that for us, and Mike did such a good job. We were very happy with his work and his equipment he uses, and he's very efficient, and we just enjoyed working with the DeBergs.
We just got to know those boys when they were younger and we were younger, and it's just kind of everybody got along, and so we just kept it going.
The DeBergs plant our corn and beans, and then in the fall they combine our corn and beans, and then during the winter they'll haul our corn into the ethanol plant. They're very neat. They come up on the yard and they stay off the grass and stuff when they're loading and turning around and hauling the grain out, so we're very happy with that.
If you would like to learn more about DeBerg Family Farms, check out our website or contact us by email or phone. I hope we can help you out in the future.